Abaco is a beautiful area. I mean, that's why it's called the jewel of the Bahamas.
You have beautiful waters. I mean, the color of the water is amazing.
You have a gorgeous view of the Atlantic when there's nothing between us and the coast of Africa.
And most everybody wants to go up the lighthouse. The view is marvelous.
Beautiful scenery, beautiful people, can't go wrong.
It's a great place, and there's a lot of opportunity here.
Abaco is made up of many different islands. If you don't have a boat, like most people come down from the States, always come to the ferry, and we'll be happy to accommodate you, take you across to your destination.
You can island hop. You can use Hopetown as your base, and you can go to Man o' War, Toulouse Key, Marsh Harbor, anywhere just from starting here in Hopetown.
They might go down to Elbow Key. They might go up to Spanish Key for the day. They might go to a deserted island and hang out and snorkel and do a picnic lunch.
The people are beautiful, the land is beautiful, the villages are beautiful, but under the water is my favorite part to see, and if you come to the Abacos, you must see that.
Abaco has got among the top largest reef area in the world. It makes for great diving, shallow diving. We don't have to go deep, just sea stuff. I mean, for instance, 40, 50-foot dives, some of my favorite spots. Just beautiful, tons of life.
You can just float on the surface and see fish that you've never ever seen before.
You haven't really seen the Abacos until you've seen the lighthouse, which is a trademark of the Abacos.
Elbow Key Reef Lighthouse is actually a kerosene lighthouse, one of the two left in the world that is hand cranked, and visitors are welcome to go up and check it out.
We have a lot of people coming here and going up to the top of the lighthouse and admiring it.
You can come into Abaco and charter a boat and go out and catch your own food, come back and cook it. I mean, very few places in the world you can do that. During the lobster season, we actually go catch the lobsters, go back to the beach. It's a feast. We'll cook up some grouper or snapper, hogfish, whatever comes our way. And the restaurants, of course, there's a lot of wonderful, wonderful restaurants, good food. The Green Turtle Club has got great food.
Fresh cracked conch is a specialty, conch salad. These are things that generally you can't get in the States. Conch fritters are delicious.
Miss Emily's Bluebee Bob being here probably 50 plus years. The goombay went far because you can get a goombay smash anywhere, but it's not like Miss Emily's.
The Tipsy Turtle is our drink here at the Green Turtle Club, and our bartenders are pretty famous for serving them out, and they are delicious.
There's always something to do in the evenings here. During different seasons, we'll have different events, like we'll have a Junkanoo Festival.
Gully Rooster is a typical night at the Green Turtle Club. You got to do it.
People look forward to coming here to dance underneath that buttonwood tree right over there, underneath the stars.
Be sure to stop by the sail shop, where they take canvas used for traditional sailboat sails and they make them into modern accessories.
Well, I get a lot of people from all over the world come to just to buy the bags and to see us make them right here.
The people are what makes this place special. So get out there and meet some cool people.
There's so much going on here. It's just one of those musts. It's a must.